This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download League of Legends. So I'm right here on the main League of Legends downloads page. So you can find it at leagueoflegends.com/download. Now I will of course put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now, if you're on a Windows machine, you'll obviously select download for Windows. If you're on a Mac like I am, you'll select download Mac installer. So I'm going to click on this download button right there. And just like that, by default, that will go straight to my downloads folder. I'm on Google Chrome. Your download location might be different, but on Google Chrome with Mac, it goes straight to the downloads folder. Depending on your browser, your download location might be different. You'll find the file, the installer, and you will follow the steps from there. Hopefully you found this video on how to find and download League of Legends useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.